Hi everyone, welcome to the garden. Today we're going to be lifting some potatoes. These are main crop varieties. There's three varieties here. I've got Picasso, Morris Piper and Cora. We've got 7 rows in the ground, and over there in the corner, which you can't see, are 31 tubs of potatoes. There's 2 tubers per tub. But as you can see, the way I've done these, I've cut these down, and they were down about 2 weeks ago, and I find, if you do that and you leave them, they harden the tubers off and they're much better for storing. And the way I've planted these is, years ago I used to do a trench, but then you used to fill it up with manure, and then you used to put the tubers in, backfill, and it was all a back-breaking job. But these days I just get me handy dibber, which is that, and I go down 6 to 8 inches, and I put a bit of fish blood and bone meal or hoof and horn, which is a slow release fertilizer. Then I just cover them up, and it seems to do the job. And as you can see, like, they've been great. But I plant them at about 2 foot apart, and the width roughly the same, but like, you can go wider, if you want. Depends what type of crop you want. But let's have a look and see what we've got. I'll start at this side and we'll go that way towards the camera. It's like digging for treasure. I'll just put my tray there. Oh yes, look at these. Lovely and clean. Bit green there, but the ground's so dry. Oh, look at them. Beautiful. Yeah, I'll bring a couple over, show you them. See how lovely and clean they are. Lovely. Like, and every time you dig them, you always leave one in. So we'll have a little bit of a dig round. There's a one there. So dry. Well, if you think, like, there's hardly been any rain this year. Right, let's do the next one. Let's hope I don't spear any. Oh my goodness. Lovely and clean. Well, I know I keep saying that, but they are. Oh, that's a big one. There's another one. Put that over there. Right, I'll just do one more. There's a couple of green ones. Like, I should have earthed them up a bit more. But they're okay, you just cut them off. Like, considering there's hardly been any rain, they've done really well. Right, I'll bring them over. Not too bad, not too bad. Nice, be lovely with chips. Right, so if you've liked what you've seen, please like and press the subscribe button. And I'm going to cut the rest of these back down. So while I'm doing that, I'll say goodbye and thanks for watching.